Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and choosing Connections. Now tap on Bluetooth and click on the switcher. Wait for available devices to show up and click on the one that you want to connect to, for example that one. Now choose OK and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. If you want to forget this connection, you can tap on this gear icon over here and choose Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!